Hello students, welcome back to your math classes. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So students, today we have chapter number 20, which is triangles and quadrilaterals. So in this chapter, what we learn today, we learn about the triangles and the quadrilaterals. Triangle means a shape with three straight sides and three angles, and quadrilateral, it's four-sided figure. So the main difference between triangle and quadrilateral is that triangle has only three sides and triangle have four sides. Now, triangle is only the one shape included in the triangle, right? We have the variations from the triangles, equilateral, scalene, or isosceles, but in quadrilaterals we have different types of shape which have four sides. For example, square, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle. So all these shapes are studied in this chapter. We will learn in this chapter. So types of triangles with respect to sides. So we generally classify a triangles on the basis of two things. The first one is their sides and the second one is their angles. So while we talk about the sides, so we only focus on the differentiation upon the sides only. Okay, so the first one we have 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeters. So I hope so is self understood that all these three sides are equal to each other. That's why it is a equilateral triangle. As the name suggests, equi means equal. So all three sides are equal to each other. Next we have isosceles triangle, in where we have two opposite sides equal to each other, and the third one having a random measurement. It means the sides whose are opposite to each other are equal in an isosceles triangle, and the third one having any random measurement. The third one we have scalene triangle. In scalene triangle, all three sides having different measurements. Okay, you can say scalene triangle is a ziddi bacha of घर का तो ये कुछ नहीं मानेगा, इसलिए that's why the all three sides of a scalene triangle is different to each other. Now we are talking about the types of triangle on the base of their angles. Okay, so in this we only focus on the angle part. First one we have right angle triangle. In our previous chapter we already learnt about the what is a right angle. Right angle is a 90-degree angle. So a triangle which have a 90-degree angle, it refers as a right angle triangle. Then the acute angle triangle means the triangle which have angles less than 90 degree, 85 less than 90 degree, 50 less than 90 degree, 45 less than 90 degree. It means it is a acute angle triangle. The next one we have obtuse angle triangle. In obtuse angle triangle, what we have to consider, only one angle of a triangle is greater than 90 degree. This one. Only one angle. Not all three angles are greater than 90 degree. Only one angle is greater than 90 degree and rest of the two are smaller than 90 degree. You can say acute angle. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. So always have in keep you in your mind that while you distributing the angles between right angle triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle, so the sum of all three angles should be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, if you know the sum of any two angles of a triangle, you can find the third angle by subtracting the sum from 180 degree. So now what you have to do, you have your two measurements in a triangle. So first you have to add these two angles. 35 plus 45 is equal to 80. Now you have to minus 80 from 180 and your answer is 100 degree. It means the third angle is equal to 100 degree. Okay, and same you have to do for the second. Now write whether the following statements are true or false. An equilateral triangle has all its sides equal. This is true. Next, the sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 150 degree. False. Now rest of the questions you have to answer it. Now find the missing angle of the given triangle. This is 45, 45, 45 plus 45 is 90. 180 minus 90 is equal to 90. Okay. Next 80, 70 is equal to 130. So 150. So 180 minus 150 is 30. Same you have to solve the rest of the question. With respect to sides, write the types of the following triangles. So by looking it, you can say it is a, okay, sorry, हमें साइड के बेसिस पर बताना है ना ओनली. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अ scalene triangle, this is a equilateral triangle, it is a isosceles triangle, and rest of the you have to answer. A triangle has how many sides? 3. Each angle of an equilateral triangle is measure of 60 degree. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle BC is equal to 45, angle ABC is equal to 80. Then find the rest one. So what you have to do, you have to add these two numbers together, then minus their sum from the 180 and you will get your answer. Construction of triangle. So how can we construct a triangle? So you have learned about different kinds of triangles. Now we are going to learn how to construct a given triangle. So in this we have three sides, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So it belongs to which category? It belongs to scale and triangle. First you have to draw a 7 centimeter. Okay, then 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So बहुत easy, with the help of your ruler you can make it. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 4.25 centimeter, B is 60 degree and C is 30 degree. In this, what we have to do, you have to use your protractor, and we already know how to make an angle in our previous chapter. So first you create your base, draw your base 4.2 centimeter, place your protractor at the point of B as a center, then see where your 60 degree line is going, create a line. Same for the 30 degree, create a line where the two are intersecting. This is your triangle ABC. Okay, construct a triangle in which AB is 3 centimeter, BC 4.5 centimeter and C. So you can make it 4.5 BC, AB is 3 centimeter and CA is 4 centimeter. In same way, you have to draw the all angles, and for the angle where you have given your angle, so what you do, you have to use your protractor which is called D. Also just see where is angle 75, where is 55, create a line where the two are intersecting each other, label the point, your triangle vertex. Okay, now we have quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral means a four-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. The two sides of a quadrilateral having common vertex are called adjacent sides. In the figure, AB, AC and DB, DC are the adjacent sides. These are the adjacent sides. Okay, these adjacent side. By joining two opposite vertex of a quadrilateral by a line segment, it's called a diagonal. When we join two opposite vertex, this is called a diagonal. Okay, next we have types of quadrilaterals. So we have parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus and trapezium, and we also learn about their properties. Opposite sides are equal and parallel in parallelogram. All four sides having equal length and the angle is equal to 90 degree. And parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. In rectangle, all angles are equal to 90 degree. Two pairs of opposite sides are equal and parallel. In rhombus, all four sides are equal and two pairs of opposite sides are parallel. In trapezium, one pair of opposite sides, yani ki these are parallel to each other and these are equal to each other, or all four angles are unequal. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. A three-sided closed figure is called a quadrilateral. Is this true or false? Next we have the two sides of a quadrilateral having common vertex are called adjacent sides. Common vertex, no, this false. Common vertex होंगे तो क्या कहेंगे हम उन्हें? Diagonals कहते हैं, not vertex. Oh sorry, adjacent lines. ठीक है? Next find the missing angle. So one is 45, 135, 45, 45, 45, 90 plus 135. तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 120, 125. Now you have to minus 125 from 360 degree. So 1, 2, 5, 130, 30, 200, 235 is your answer. Next 130, 55, 90, 90, 55, 145 plus 130, 275. Now you have to minus from 360, 280 and 20, 5 और यहाँ पर 95. तो आपका आंसर आ जाएगा 95. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल. एक मिनट, मुझे थोड़ा डाउट हो रहा है, मैं करके देख लेती हूँ. 360, 275, यहाँ पर 5 ही आएगा, यहाँ पर 5. 15 में से 7 माइनस करना है ना, तो 85 आएगा. 7 गया 5, तो यहाँ पर 85 आएगा. ठीक है, 85 आपका आंसर होगा. उसके बाद अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल हैज नंबर, कितनी साइड्स होती हैं? 4 साइड्स होती हैं. द क्वाड्रिलेटरल विच हैव ऑल साइड्स इक्वल एंड ईच एंगल इज 90 डिग्री, इट्स कॉल्ड अ square. The sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So students, your chapter ends here. I hope this chapter is clear to you. And if you have any doubts, so do one thing, just repeat the content one more time and then solve enough questions to the particular topic where you have doubts. Okay. Now I will meet in your next class. Till that, bye bye. Have a good day.